In the previous session, we got a rough idea of how to handle the lamp object in the ArchMesh add-on. So, now create the lamps in this session. To do this, first, open a new Blender project and delete all the objects in the viewport. We will make 4 lamp models here. So, make 4 collections for these lamps and name them Lamp 1, Lamp 2, Lamp 3, and Lamp 4 respectively. You can easily control the lamp by keeping a separate collection for the lamps. After renaming these collections, select the Lamp 1 collection. Now let's start working on the first lamp. So, add the ArchMesh lamp object to this collection. After adding it, let's change the values of the lamp now. For the lamp base values, give 0.15 for height and change the number of rings to 4. After that, give 0.07 for the lamp holder height value. Now let's change the R and S values. Give 0.06 for all the R values here. You can do this easily by clicking and dragging R1 value down and selecting all R values. After entering the relevant value, press the Enter key. At the S values, give -0.9 for S2 and 0.4 for S3. Now let's change the values of the lampshade. Give 0.17 for height here. After that, give 0.1 for R1 and R2 values. Then, enter 4 for the number of segments here. To remove the smoothness of the shade, enable the Pleats option as mentioned earlier. After enabling it, give 0 for R3 here. You can see how it automatically shifts to 0.001. You can learn how to use this option when creating lamp 3. So, for now, note that this option currently removes the smoothness of the lampshade. Finally, uncheck Create Default Cycles Materials here. You can disable the materials that come with the lamp by unchecking this option. Right now, the modeling work of our first lamp complete here. Now let's create the second lamp. To do this, first, disable the Lamp 1 collection and then select the Lamp 2 collection. Then, add the lamp object to this collection as before. This ArchMesh lamp object always gives the last lamp design we made from this. Because of that, you can see that the added lamp is the same lamp model that we prepared earlier. And always check that the selected collection is correct before adding the lamp object. Let us now give the values of lamp 2. In the lamp base, give 0.17 for height and 0.015 for lamp holder. Then, give the values 0.1 and 0.01 for R2 and R4, respectively. Change the values of S3 and S4 to 0.2 and -0.02, respectively. In this lampshade properties, change the values of R1 and R2 to 0.13 and 0.08, respectively. Leave the remaining values as they are. The modeling of lamp 2 is now complete. Now let's start working on lamp 3. For that, you need to disable this lamp 2 collection as before. And then add a lamp object to the lamp 03 collection. After adding, let us now assign values to the lamp. Here in the lamp base, give 0.03 for the lamp holder. Leave the R values here as before. And enter 0 for all the S values here. The lampshade of this lamp that is being made now will use the Pleats option as mentioned earlier. So, for now, here disable this Pleats option. Then, enter 128 for the segments. Now you can see how smooth this lampshade is. But now if this Pleats option is enabled, it will give a wavy structure on the lampshade. And changing the R3 value of this option changes the depth of the ripples here change this R3 value to 0.02 for this lampshade. After setting this, the modeling work on this lamp is now complete. Now let's make the lamp 4. As before, you need to disable this collection and then add the lamp object to the lamp 4 collection. After adding, let us now set the values here. Here in the lamp base, change the height to 0.2, segments 4, and rings 5. Give 0.02 for the lamp holder. For the R values here, give 0.155, 0.16, 0.15, 0.05 and 0.003 respectively. After that, enter 0.25 for the S4 value here. Now on the lampshade properties, give 0.18 for height and 0.15 for R1 and R2. After that, change the number of segments to 64 and disable the pleats option here. Right now, the modeling work on all our lamps is over here. In the next session, we will see how to set studio lighting for these lamps.